Hi, my name is Przemek, the designer and developer of MetaGrid Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to add custom graphics to your buttons. MetaGrid Pro features extensive customization options for your buttons, including adding various graphics. You can choose from the vast library of images, including door-related graphics, music notation glyphs, and general computing icons. You have access also to the icons of all applications installed on your computer, which, together with the Activate Application action, enable you to create grids that can be used as a launchpad for your favorite applications, like this one that I'm using in my setup. You can also add custom PNG graphics to your buttons. They should be square, and ideally 256 by 256 pixels. In MetaServer, click Files, and in the Custom Icons section, tap the ellipsis icon to navigate to the folder where you want to store your custom graphics. You can also create subfolders. Only one level of subfolders is supported. The subfolders in subfolders will not be visible to MetaGrid Pro. Now, in MetaGrid Pro, tap Edit, select the button you want to customize, tap Icon, and tap Custom. The screen now features all subfolders and custom graphics located in the folder specified in MetaServer. Tap the required image, select the respective layout type, and that's it. Your button now features a custom icon of your choice. Thanks for watching and enjoy MetaGrid Pro.